I've been in the business all my life. I started washing dishes in a bakery when I was 15 years old, bus tables, waited tables. My name's Cary Redfern. Together with my wife, we own Lumberyard restaurant here in Laguna Beach. I've been coming to Laguna Beach since the early 1970s, and it was a dream of mine, believe it or not back then, that I would like to move to Laguna. In 2007, this location became available, and I talked with the landlord and we worked out an agreement, and I told him that I wanted to call it Lumberyard Restaurant after the iconic building that used to be here that serviced the real Laguna Lumberyard that surrounds it. And we hope to create kind of a unique, special experience by the products that we offer as well. And I'll give you an example. We serve tin fish, which we may be the only restaurant in Orange County right now that's serving it. It's become big in the cities and whatnot, but it's something that people can only get here, I think, in Laguna Beach. It's meant to be a restaurant that's very accessible, and that's the way our menu is, that's the way the service is. Creating that kind of special, more unique sense of place is extremely important to us. And that's the way the atmosphere is. We welcome everyone.